So I wanted to talk to you today about how to double or triple your income without working more. I am Leslie Leondis with Leondis CPA, and I hear all the time, can't double or triple my income without working more. Well, when you do a couple things that I'm teaching and my trainings about building your team, actually focusing on what you want instead of what your clients want, you can actually build a business that where you can double and triple your income without working more. And the way I know this is because I have done it. I have built out a team to do a lot of the technical work. And then I have also built out our pricing where we actually are a strategic partner with our clients. And while I hear a lot of accountants say, well, I do the same thing, but most of the time they're not getting paid for it. And that was me. I wasn't getting paid for it for a long time. But what I did with increasing prices also started providing more value. And there is so much talk around value pricing. And I know I got hung up with the logistics of it and how to do it and all that fun stuff that we all overanalyze. So my point is don't overanalyze it. Think about what you're analyzing, what you're doing for your clients, and if you have the right client base for it. So I've talked to others and they say, well, a lot of my clients are older, they're on a fixed income, and I get that. I have some of those too. But I don't have a practice full of them. I choose who I work with. And that's the beauty of owning your own business is you get to choose. No, and the key is not taking just anybody that walks in the door. So a lot of my clients are interrelated. And what I mean by that is some of the elderly people that I do tax returns for, they are also their church may be a bookkeeping client because to me those are ideal clients. They're very invested with you, so therefore it makes him an ideal tax client as well. So think about what makes an ideal client for you, and then have your is it services that your team can provide, not just you. So I have invested heavily in developing my team in order to double and triple my income because I invested in them. But I also have raised our rates because we provide the clients with more value. So that's what I challenge you to do is look at that. What is an ideal client for you? Because it's different for everybody. What is an ideal service for you? And then you develop your team around those things. What is it that brings you the most joy in helping? So for me, what brings me the most joy is actually providing the client with quality business advice and working with the client in their business. And in turn, we don't only just do bookkeeping where we do bank feeds and all that stuff that comes with bookkeeping because that's not valuable to them. What's valuable is the information behind it. Do they understand it? Can you explain it to them? And so the way to double and triple your revenue is actually giving the clients what they want, what they need. And if they are just in it for compliance, those are not people that actually value the service. But unless they value the compliance side so much that they value the service. So, for example, if you have a bookkeeping client and you do taxes, then you can also do tax planning with that client, but you have to control how much you have. So therefore, if you increase your rate where you can provide that value to the client appreciates the value, then you can actually learn from it. And this is a work in progress over time. And then you teach your team how to deliver the same thing. So if you want more information on this, comment in the Facebook group or send me a message, and that way we can discuss it further. Because I know this is a very controversial topic in the accounting industry, but you can double and triple your revenue and not have to work more. And that's what I challenge you to do is think, how can I make more money and work less? So hopefully this was helpful and have a fantastic day.